This video is only for information and education purpose. Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we are going to talking about like MoonPay, and we are going to review, and I'm going to provide you some information related to this platform. It's a legit or it's a scam, so you should invest any money or you're not. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, I want to tell you they have like approx 94,000 reviews on, you can say, Trustpilot. This is a very big amount, or you can say this is a very big number. Okay, so as you can see, they have like 30% negative reviews, so you need to check all the reviews, all the negative reviews, and after checking all negative reviews you can make your conclusion it's a legit or it's a scam, because 13% negative reviews, it's a very big number, and all are complaining related to their customer service related issues. And as you can see, the brand is approx like 14 years from now, and they have approx good reviews, but the negative numbers are also very important. So what are the main problem? The main problem is their customer service team and account suspension issues. So you need to contact, before investing any money, you need to contact with their customer support team. You need to ask questions related to refund and return. And if you invest any money and your money, maybe when you lose your, you can say, account access and all, if the account is suspended, and maybe when you want to withdraw, if you are not able to withdraw your money and all, then how you can get your money back? So you need to ask these type of questions, and then you can invest. Otherwise you can avoid. If you are not satisfying with the customer service team, then you can avoid investing any kind of money in this platform. Okay, so this is my information. So, and one more thing that you can check, you need to go to on Play Store and you can check the app reviews. You can also get very helpful reviews on, you can say, Play Store, because I can't show you some details on my screen, because due to copyright issue, so that's why I'm not able to show you information. But you can do at yourself, checking reviews, negative reviews. Mostly you can say, you have to notice mostly negative reviews. On negative review you will get information related to their problems. Okay, so if you have any kind of experience, please share your experience in our comment section. Your comment helpful for lots of people. And thanks for watching this video, my dear friends. Bye bye.